Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Paper Airplanes book is probably one of the most engaging and educational tools you can introduce to your children, offering a fantastic blend of creativity, STEM learning, and pure fun that will keep them entertained for hours while they develop fine motor skills and an understanding of basic aerodynamics. This book is designed to spark imagination and encourage hands-on activity, moving away from passive screen time and into a world of tangible creation and flight, making it an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just a rainy afternoon. Number 5. Klutz Book of Paper Airplanes Activity Kit. Unleash your creativity with this incredible kit. It provides everything you need to construct fantastic paper airplanes. Follow our simple, step-by-step guide to learn how to build amazing paper airplanes. It's easy for everyone to master. This kit comes with 40 sheets of high-quality paper. They are pre-printed with colorful patterns on both sides, ready for folding. Each sheet is flight-tested to ensure your creations soar. Get ready for hours of aerial fun with these proven designs. Experience the joy of building and flying your own paper airplanes. This kit offers a complete and engaging activity for all ages. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to building amazing paper airplanes. It includes 40 sheets of flight-tested, ready-to-fold paper with colorful patterns. If you are looking for a complete package with everything you need to get started, this is the perfect choice for aspiring aviators. What people say. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for kids, and the book includes a great variety of designs from simple to more advanced. The included paper is colorful, sturdy, and perfectly sized for folding, no cutting or measuring needed. The instructions are crystal clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Each fold is explained step by step, with visuals that make the process stress-free and enjoyable. The book includes 40 sheets of colorful, high-quality, flight-ready paper that really brings each design to life. Number 4. Awesome engineering activities for kids. Looking for a fun and educational way to engage your child? Discover a world of creativity with over 50 exciting STEAM projects designed to inspire young minds. This collection is packed with hands-on activities that make learning science, technology, engineering, art, and math an adventure. It's perfect for curious kids eager to explore and build. Watch as your child designs and builds incredible projects, developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills along the way. These activities encourage innovation and creativity. With more than 50 diverse projects, there's always something new to discover and create. Each one offers a unique opportunity for hands-on learning and fun. Give the gift of learning and discovery. This book is an ideal resource for parents and educators looking to foster a love for STEAM in children. Encourage your child to ask questions, experiment, and bring their ideas to life. These projects are designed to spark curiosity and build confidence. What we like. This book goes beyond just paper airplanes, offering over 50 exciting STEAM projects for kids. It encourages design and building with hands-on learning experiences. If you want to foster a broader interest in science, technology, engineering, arts, and math, this is an excellent resource for curious young minds. What people say. This book is a great way to keep kids entertained and off screens. It has clear instructions and diagrams that are easy for children to follow. The book includes a variety of airplane designs, from simple to more complex, offering a good range of challenges. Number 3. All the Things, How to Draw Books for Kids. Looking for a fun and engaging activity for your child? Our How to Draw series is here to spark their imagination and artistic talent. From roaring dragons and magical unicorns to sweet cupcakes and speedy cars, this book covers all their favorite things. They can learn to draw anything they can imagine. Each drawing is broken down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. This makes it perfect for young artists of all skill levels to create amazing artwork. Keep them entertained for hours with this collection of drawing guides. It's a wonderful way to encourage patience and focus while having a blast. Surprise the aspiring artist in your life with a gift that inspires creativity and provides endless fun. It's an ideal present for birthdays or any occasion. Give your child the tools to bring their imagination to life on paper. Get them started on their artistic journey with this exciting drawing book. What we like. This is a drawing book for kids, featuring a wide variety of subjects like cars, unicorns, and dragons. It provides a fun and creative outlet for artistic expression. If your child enjoys drawing and wants to learn how to sketch different objects, this book will provide hours of creative enjoyment. What people say. My kid loves to draw, and this was the perfect book to help her get better. She is always asking how to draw different things, and this gave her a step in understanding how to create many different types of shapes to make different objects, from ice cream to spaceships and pencils. This book has a great variety of simple and exciting things to draw. It keeps things simple enough that kids can do it without getting frustrated. The clear, simple directions make this book great for young children. There are also other books in this series that I plan to check out, such as Animals and Sea Creatures. Clear, uncluttered pages. Simple instructions. Most, all, drawings also have a little fun fact next to them. I am terrible at drawing, but I can follow this, as can my 5-year-old, so it's something we can both have fun with at the same time. Number 2. World Champion Paper Airplane Book. Discover the secrets behind the world record-breaking paper airplane design. Learn how to fold it yourself with this incredible book. Each page features tear-out planes ready to be folded. No need for scissors or glue, just pure folding fun. These planes are designed for easy folding, making them perfect for all ages. Experience the thrill of watching them soar. This book offers the ultimate paper airplane experience, combining cutting-edge design with hands-on activity. Unleash your inner champion and master the art of paper airplane flight. Get ready to impress with your aerial creations. What we like. This book features a world record-breaking paper airplane design for proven performance. It includes tear-out planes ready to fold and fly, ensuring impressive flights. If you're aiming for the longest and most impressive flights, this is the one to choose for competitive fun and bragging rights. What people say. Inside this book you will find all of Mr. Collins' most useful and elegant models, with a few exceptions that can be found in his first book, The Gliding Flight. The Suzanne model, which was used to set the distance world record referenced in the title of the book, is really the most elegant and impressive plane model around. It is simple enough that anyone over 6 or 7 could fold it, but it just goes and goes. Foregoing the tape and using nose or fuselage locks makes for a go-to plane in any situation. The book helps to build your folding skills from the ground up. Many models of paper airplanes to create, and very detailed procedures with explanations of the physical reason behind each technical solution. Very good tips also for the twiking and the throw of the paper airplane. An amazing package. Really surprised with the quality of paper and the contents. Worth to have in the library of kids who are interested in flights and flying objects, a real gem explaining the basics of aerodynamics. Number 1. Little Hippo Book's Amazing Airplane. Embark on an exciting journey with the amazing airplane. This touch and feel board book is perfect for little hands. Discover a world of textures and sensations. It's designed to engage your baby or toddler during playtime. Explore different tactile elements on every page. This interactive book provides a rich sensory experience. Built to last through countless reading sessions. Its sturdy board pages are ideal for young children. Make story time more engaging and fun. This book is a wonderful addition to your toddler's collection. Spark your child's imagination and curiosity. The vibrant illustrations and textures will captivate them. What we like. This is a touch and feel board book designed for babies and toddlers, offering a sensory experience. It features amazing airplanes with different textures. If you have a very young child and are looking for an engaging, tactile book to introduce them to airplanes, this is a wonderful option for early learning and sensory exploration. What people say. This book is a great way to keep kids entertained and off screens. It includes a variety of designs, from simple to more complex, catering to different skill levels. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, with diagrams that help illustrate each step. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.